Why is there so much hatred in the world? What is happening to this planet? I don't know. Is it that there's a problem? What's happening? Fighting, backbiting, killing each other, shedding of blood. We just don't care. We are living like we're in a jungle. What's happening? Like, I'm a lion, I catch you, the deer, I finish you, the deer, you catch the ant, you finish it. Somebody said what, helter skelter, you know, but I mean, the world is full of hatred. This is something I've actually seen growing up among my brothers, older ones. Like, it's like they have fun picking on you. They enjoy bullying you, beating you, mistreating you. I don't know if it's the work of the devil, or I don't know if it's us as humans. Look at South Africa, this xenophobia thing. People are just killing each other. Even in the church, people hate each other. Like, you dress well and somebody just starts talking about you. They have nothing good to say about you. They just wish you were dead. And you know the funniest thing, if the person dies, oh, I knew him, oh God. What is this hypocrisy? What is happening in the world? You have to dare to be different. For you watching, be different. If you gossip, stop it. If you wish somebody ill, avoid it. I mean, what are you going to get if like you wish that your friend dies, or you wish that your friend fails in what they are doing? Isn't it going to be a better world if what you are doing succeeds, what I'm doing succeeds, and then we be each other's keeper? Isn't that what the world is supposed to be about? Like, I mean, even for you watching, where you work, just consider the environment. Like, your friends, your colleagues are talking about you. They at every opportunity, they will want to talk bad about you to the boss, like to the manager. It frustrates me seriously. I mean, in my own personal experience, there was a time I was working with this company, and you know, they talked about me so much so that the boss asked me if I had any issues with anybody there. And I told her, Madam, you know me, you know the kind of person I am. So I don't know if it's, I think it's a sickness. I think it's a condition that we all have to consciously work on. Because if we keep giving out this negative energy or negative vibe, what do we expect our kids or our children, the younger generation, what do we expect them to become? Are you saying that we are planting oranges and we want to harvest watermelons? It doesn't work that way. If you give love, you definitely will get love back. But where is the love in this world that we are in today? Fighting everywhere. Blood-related siblings are fighting. Over what? Over a house, over land, over clothes. Even couples are fighting over things as petty as toothpaste. What is happening? Think about it. Is this something you are doing? I think you can make a difference. I can make a difference. If we would have an open mind, a clear mind, wish people well. You know, even in politics, I'm not a politician. Even in politics, I say I can do it better. The other person comes to say they can do it better. And I mean, of course, we vote to give equal opportunity to everybody. But why is it that when you win and I lose, I'm always talking bad about you? Why won't I use what I have observed, or why won't I use my observation to advise you, to admonish or encourage you that, Charlie, you can do it better, or do it this way, or do it that way? What is happening in this world? Tell me. I don't know. I mean, it breaks my heart. It makes me so sad. Even now, when you're working at night, you are scared, because definitely when somebody gets you, they'll take all your things. So I don't know. It's sad. make it sad, but I just pray and I hope that for you watching, you will give love. You will try to be different. Be your brother's keeper. And you know the most painful aspect of it. Even in the church, the so-called people who claim they are calling Christ, they are calling God, we are singing, we are praying and all that. That is even where the hatred is bad. Even at church, people are fighting. Sometimes they even fight over chairs. Who's supposed to sit there? Who's supposed to sit there? Charlie, guys, this is really, really sad. It breaks my heart. I pray and I hope that I'm able to make a difference. And for you watching, I hope that you can also make a difference, because if you try to do this, definitely the younger generation will learn something better. If we are fighting and you know what, let me tell you something. Do you know, in my family, some people don't talk to each other. For whatever reason, I don't know. I think I probably should summon both parties and ask, what is happening? I mean, you have parents comparing their children. My kids are doing better and your kids are not. What is all this? I mean, if your kids are doing better, I think you are supposed to help your sister or your cousin or your friend or your brother or your sister, whoever it is, help them to also bring their kids up, so that you guys will have equal opportunity. Because you never know, maybe your kids will probably not be there to save your life at the time that you need. Your sister's child will be there. So why don't you have a clear heart, an open heart, and be good to everybody? Work together with your colleagues. Stop talking bad about them. Stop gossiping about them. It doesn't help. You spend so much time gossiping about people while you probably could have worked, or you could have thought about something positive. This is what I think life should be about. Helping each other, being there for each other, loving each other. Where is the love? Let us get it back. This is all I can say. Don't forget to subscribe. Take good care of yourselves. I'll see you in the next episode.